everyone, welcome back to another episode of Behind the Scenes with Saybons. Today I'm going to bring all of you behind the scenes to look at one of our prettiest as well as healthiest soup, which is the purple sweet potato. Purple sweet potatoes, otherwise known as the Okinawan sweet potato, has a more balanced sweetness compared to their orange counterparts. And so it makes it ideal to be cooked into a savory soup. Purple sweet potatoes are high in antioxidants, and we are combining it with another superfood, which is the cauliflower, to make this soup a powerhouse of nutrition. This soup was originally created with diabetic patients in mind because boiled sweet potatoes and cauliflowers is actually low in GI. One of the greatest challenge of creating this soup was the fact that it has to be super healthy and suitable for diabetics. So we have to be very careful about the amount of fat, sodium and sugar content that goes into this soup without compromising on its taste. With its vibrant color, this soup definitely brightens up anybody's day. If you like this video, remember to press like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell below.